How to make invoices on your iPhone. First thing first, you must have these application numbers on your device. These applications would be available by default, but if not, you need to head over to your App Store and then search for the application number. Move into this app. Install this application on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on Open. It will land you on this page. Tap on Choose a Template. Now in this page, you have to scroll down and in the section of Business, you should see the option of Invoice. Head over to it. Now from here, you can edit this invoice according to your need. You can place this anywhere you want to and also edit the things that is inside. You can also add more tables by tapping on this plus icon at the top. From here, you can choose whichever table that you want to. Let me select this one. Now you can adjust this table anywhere you want to. And then you can fill out this table according to your need. Once you have edited all of these things, tap on the save icon at the top. Scroll all the way down and then tap on Save to Files. After that, it will be successfully saved into your files and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can make your invoice on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.